And we're back. I'm going on mute for a second. I've been looking at the instructions for this. I'm going to try something real quick. Let me see. Let me read something else for this. Okay. Okay. Polling and okay. Okay. So I might need to use the event driven. Okay. Okay. Was completed the same. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try something. Lettuce. My fault. Lettuce. Fuck. Where is it? Launcher controller. What? Cool. No. I prefer more rectangle shape. You know. Should probably get a curved one. I'll think about it. So going to this, I'm gonna make actions. I'm gonna create actions in the code and not using input because I wanna modify it because I want it to be active only when it's the user's pressing it or whatever. So for example, I don't know why you're doing that. Using the engine input system. So now we have what? Input action is what? Launch action, right? And yeah, we just have that. Then we have private store. action equals input system dot action dot action launch. Maybe I'm missing something. Right? Okay. And then what I want to do, right? Right, public. Okay. Sync. And no, that's only if I wanna. Okay. That's what I'm doing wrong. So let's make a variable. First off, variable launch action equals new input action launch. Binding is what? Let's see. Sorry, keyboard, and it's going to be / space. Right? You don't use variables. Yeah. This is. Okay. So why won't you let me do this again? Because it says public classic sample script. Mono, it is mono behavior, so it's all. I don't want to. It's fine. Public input action launch action. Oh. and Coolio, I guess. Actually, let's test it. Let's make you press. Anyways, see what happens. Right. Let's see. I want to test it out by doing a. I have to enable it first. That's right. So I want to enable it as well. Void start. Launch. And I would. Enable it. Launch. Action dot enable. And if. Let's see, what was it? If. Yeah. Launch action. What? That. Oh shit. If launch that action that is pressed. We are going to do a silly thing. Log. Ouch. My leg. Whatever you say, okay. Yeah, I'm getting errors. Where do I put you? Yeah, I put you in void update. Maybe I put it in the wrong place. No. Hmm. Maybe because let me try something. So maybe it's action keyboard. Mouse press. Press and release. And you are called. Yeah. What can I name you? Okay. Fine. Wait. I know. Delete. Uh, not launch. Right. Got it. Press. Press and release. Clear. And we add one more, maybe. This in. Mouse. Button. Keyboard and mouse. Tab. Maybe. We'll get there when we get there. Maybe. Then I don't think you need to play it. Input. Actually, what are you called? Okay, that's what you're called. That's right. Yeah, we'll figure that out in a second. Yeah, you. Uh-huh. Mm, just needed to be public. Okay, it works. I wonder. Right? Public void launch ball. Don't think I need you. Would you still work? Actually, let me go to launch action. Right. Don't think I need this. Huh. Okay. What if I can put that on the ball itself? So now what I'm gonna do is let me see if you get the rigid body for it. So don't think I need this. Don't think I need these two. So we're gonna do a old reliable. Get this and public pool of the week, private pool of the week. Pinball equals get component, got it. Okay. Wait, week. And so, yeah, you put that one. Four. Uh, just want to see if I can do. I should be able to get it. Fine. Or maybe. Hold the fuck on. Did that work? Hold up. Yeah, it worked. It worked. Because in the script I have what else if context that performed. People that launch, blah blah blah. Not on launcher. I'm gonna change it to not on launcher. Okay. Let me make another. Okay. Public void. Wait, I should have flip it, right? Okay. Flip it, cause I can only. Okay. Don't need to change that. Actually, no. I'm just gonna make it something else. Public void flipper activate flipper hit, right? Input action dot callback context. Okay, so if what was a tag? I need to get the game object. Game object tag. Got it. So I need to declare it up here. If this thing is right, public game object flipper, right? Right? If pinball oh fuck, how do I do this shit? Because what I wanted to do is be like, are we touching the flipper? No? Then we can't activate. Cool. Are we touching the okay. Give me a fuck. Forward. Words. My fault, gang. So this is gonna get released late because I'm behind. And I mean, I could probably skip it. Well, I could probably have that one be a bonus. But you know what? Yeah, this is episode 25. But I think I figured it out. But now I gotta figure out how tags work now. Oh. I don't have to be so loud. Okay. Because flipper's gonna be no. If pinball not flipper equals game object, but find tag flipper, right? Let me see. I gotta see if you have that tag first. It's flippers. Why? Flippers. Okay. Flipper equals game object, define game object of tag flippers. Right? I need an if statement of like if something true, then yeah. If something not true, then yeah. Let me see. Let me think. Let's see. Okay. Blah blah blah. Got it. If pinball event flag maybe not flag no. Wishful thinking. I don't know, man. I'm trying to have it so. How did I have it before? Let me look at the spin the controller. Okay, collision. Ow. Yeah, okay. On collisions. Let me see. Let's go to bumper. Okay, I figured this out. It's gonna take a second though. Might. Private void on collision enter 2D. Okay. Collision 2D. Collision. Boom. Flip equals game object. Blah blah blah. No, because it's have plate input. If okay. And we're gonna hit it with the we don't need it else. I think. give it a try. Oh, and then we're gonna give another one. Input action. Input action. Input action equals input system dot action dot find action. Input. Okay, what's on? Input, oh yes. Let's give it a good old honest try. Alright, and then for you, events, clear, launch, call that context, we'll add another one. Hold up. Why do we only have launch ball, yeah. Public void flipper hit. Do I have to make you? I'm not paying my taxes for this. Okay. Cool. Still works. We just gotta figure out this bullshit. Maybe. No, my eye is missing. There we go, mate. Okay, if context that formed she below. If coach okay. might we'll give it a try. Okay, all we can do. Like yeah, all we can do is just give it a try, see if it works. Hmm. So I'm one step closer. So I got the launcher part working because launch is supposed to go off once, not again. That is fine. Now I just need to figure out the flippers. Matter of fact, yeah, it does. Kind of. I'm not too concerned about it because it's always going to start here. So so yeah, that's that. I'm not too concerned about it. So always going to start here. Next is just getting these two to work. So that was a 10:46. Yeah, it's a quick one for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. I had an episode before this, but it's basically me not doing much and just being upset. So and like realizing, oh shit, I should have been reading the. I should have been reading the documents. It's because I read the documents that I stumbled into into a solution. If I wasn't reading the documents, I wouldn't have found the solution. So it's like, yeah, now I just need to figure out how to. I don't necessarily want to use collision like that concept because it doesn't look like it's gonna. Like either I'm probably gonna have to jump through hoops or something to get it to work or something. I don't know. But as of now, I'm actually quite excited. I I have a love hate relationship with development in all areas, game development, web development, all that. So right now it's love because I found the solution to a problem I have, and next is gonna be hate and damn. Am I really? Should I really? Because imposter syndrome is just kicking my ass. So that's what it is. And it's like you're new to this and you really haven't been practicing like I should. And I have a lot of hobbies. And I'm too lazy and I'm too stubborn not lazy, I'm too stubborn to be like, oh, let me just call it this and that hobby. No, I'm like, no, I kinda wanna keep all of my hobbies because like writing. I'm trying to find ways to get them all to be one because game development. Because I was learning what Node.js, and I'm like, I need a backend in Node.js. This is a good backend for development. I'm like, hold up. For my capstone, I built a web app in C Sharp using .NET 8 point using .NET MVC 8 point something version 8, and I'm like, why am I doing all of that hullabaloo? And I could just for Node.js, but I could just use C Sharp. Like I could just use C Sharp as a backend. Would I be limiting myself? Yes, but focus on one language, uh, or two in this case, like JavaScript/TypeScript, C Sharp, and web development. My web development is pretty good, if I do say so myself. Like I'm not super, but I'm competent. I'm confident in my like HTML and CSS, JavaScript and C Sharp as well. Really need to learn stuff more. So I'm learning C Sharp doing this, and I'm gonna learn it next week when I'm doing the web dev stuff. Gotta figure out Apache. But no, I do like this. I launch it. I launch it using spacebar, and I can't launch it again. That's a problem I was having for like weeks. Now I was figuring out, okay, how do I get the flippers activated? What do I have to change to get the flippers themselves moving if I'm using the input system? Or do I want to create something new entirely, then go about it that way? I'll see when I get there. So yeah, I think I have to name it the same. Let me see. I'll probably remove this. Yeah. It's called launch. I wonder. I think what's happening is maybe I have it wrong. Maybe it's not differentiating between. It's like, oh, you're trying to launch using either or, okay, as opposed to me just maybe I have to call it something else. Even if it's using a different, it's going to perform the same function. Oh yeah, I think it's that. So maybe I just give it a flip a hit. Oh my fucking god. Launch ball. And yeah, probably go the secondary script option. And just do that tomorrow. Yeah. So that is all for now. You got a nice good chunk of a video tonight, this morning. So take care. I love you.